Quality assured LCD KVM solutions from A10. A10 International manufactures a large range of superior quality enterprise-grade KVM switching equipment. The A10 LCD KVM switch series offers a space-saving, streamlined approach to KVM switch technology by integrating an LCD panel, a full keyboard, and a touchpad into a one-rack unit or simply one U housing. Similar to a laptop, the LCD display is built into the cover, whereas the keyboard and the touchpad are built into the base. Just slide the KVM module out, flip the cover up, and you are ready to work. Server rooms are often crowded with equipment taking up most of the available floor, shelf, and rack space. LCD KVM switch consoles perform a critical role in server rooms that have a limited space by eliminating the use of separate consoles for each server and the space they would utilize. However, using a single console means that its quality can determine the performance and reliability of the entire rack. The A10 LCD KVM switch consoles feature high-quality components and are rigorously tested to ensure that they meet our strict high-quality standards. At the A10 in-house manufacturing facility, specialized quality tests are conducted on our full range of LCD KVM switch solutions. The tests include an environmental test, including operational cycling temperature tests and high temperature and humidity storage tests. An infrared hotspot temperature profile measurement detecting abnormalities in the operating components. Mechanical durability tests including a vibration test, simulating various shipping conditions, a locking clip test to check long-term usage wear, and a sliding pull test to again check long-term usage wear. By using high-quality components and passing rigorous testing methods, A10 LCD KVM solutions provide a stable and durable solution. Additionally, they enhance the efficiency and flexibility of server room management without sacrificing reliability.